This is the end of my presentation. Before I end my presentation, I would love to summarize it for you. In January, the lady, she wears green jacket and black t-shirt with the blue shirt. I think she can wear this to the cinema, but I don't think she can't wear this to the classroom. All right. On in February, she wear short blue skirt with the gold t-shirt, and she wears the red bag. I think this one she can wear to drink coffee, but she can't wear this to the temple. And last one, in March, she wears the blue blouse and long purple skirt. I think she can wear this to the party, but she cannot wear this to exercise. No, yes, and I think that's very good. Every month is very good for different kind of clothes. And finally, I would love to thank you so much for your patience and your attention with my presentation. Thank you very much.